You hate it when I talk back, don't you? You ask me to pick up my shoes, and I huff, I roll my eyes, or I snap at you. And in that moment, you think, my child is being disrespectful. I need to fix this behavior. But, can I tell you a secret? A secret most parents never realize until it's too late. I didn't invent that attitude. I downloaded it from you. I know, that stings, but stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the science of why I act the way I act, and give you the cheat codes to get respect from me, without ever raising your voice. Okay, let's get technical for a second. Inside my brain, I have these things called mirror neurons. Scientists call them the basis of empathy. I call them my copy-paste feature. My brain is wired to survive. To do that, I have to match the energy of the biggest person in the room, that's you. When you correct me with a sharp tone or sarcasm or that frustrated sigh, my mirror neurons fire immediately. They don't listen to your words about being polite. They copy your tone of aggression. You are teaching me that when we are frustrated, we get sharp, we get loud, we make people feel small. So when I snap back at you, I'm mostly just holding up a mirror. Picture this from my height. It's 7:45 a.m. I'm moving slow because, well, I'm 6. You're stressed. You loom over me and say, how many times do I have to tell you? Put your shoes on. Your voice is tight. Your face is tense. In that moment, my logical brain, the prefrontal cortex, goes offline. My emotional brain, the amygdala, takes the wheel. I feel attacked. So, I defend myself with the only weapon I have, attitude. I say, I am doing it, and you get madder. But do you see what happened? We are locked in a loop. You send chaos, I reflect chaos, and nobody gets their shoes on. You want to break the loop? You want me to listen with respect? You have to hack my operating system. Here are 4 cheat codes that work on almost every kid. Code number 1, the pause. Before you react to my attitude, take 1 deep breath. Neuroscience shows it takes 6 seconds for your thinking brain to catch up to your angry brain. Give yourself that buffer. If you stay calm, my mirror neurons have nothing to fight against. Code number 2. Name the feeling. Instead of saying stop being rude, try saying, you sound frustrated. Is that right? When you label my emotion, I feel seen. And when I feel seen, I don't need to scream to be heard. Code number 3, the captain's voice. Don't be weak. Be steady. Speak low and slow, like a pilot during turbulence. If you are calm, I feel safe, and when I feel safe, I can listen. Code number 4, the repair. This is the most important one. If you lose your cool, and you will, because you're human, come back later. Say, I'm sorry I shouted. I was frustrated, but I shouldn't have spoken that way. That teaches me more about respect than 100 lectures ever could. Now, I know what you're thinking, but kid, if I don't yell, you walk all over me. I need to be the boss. Trust me, I want you to be the boss. But there is a difference between a boss and a bully. A boss leads with calm authority. A bully leads with fear. When you use fear, I behave until you leave the room. When you use respect, I behave because I want to be like you. That's the difference between compliance and character. Look, parenting is the hardest job in the world. You aren't going to be perfect. And I don't need you to be perfect. I just need you to be my template. So the next time I roll my eyes, take a breath, check your own reflection, and change the tone. You might be surprised at how fast I change mine. Now, even if you do all this perfectly, sometimes I'm just going to melt down anyway because the toast was cut the wrong way. And when that happens, there is a totally different trick you need. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time we upload an helpful video. See you in the next one. Bye.